Okay folks, so welcome to this seminar where we're going to be concentrating on the clinical aspects of ageing. So I'm going to start off by telling you...
We set up the NUAGE module because ageing is such an important topic to look at. And this can be studied by any student from any academic discipline. We're all going to age, and it's really important that actually we understand how that process occurs, what the implications are when we are older, but also to understand that it can actually be a very positive thing.
To have a look at your magazine, your anatomy.
We felt that it was really important that if a student was going to learn about ageing, they learn from an expert, and a real expert in ageing is someone who has gone through that process and who is an older person. We were really keen that the older members of the public and students were involved in the design of the module. We wanted to make it as relevant as possible. So we did lots of research, we found out what was important to older people, what they really thought the students needed to know about. And then we thought, if they've been so involved in the design, then they really should be involved in the teaching. We find our students get an awful lot out of our older members of the public. They learn directly from them, they have a lot of intergenerational communication, and the feedback we've had from our students is that that's one of the most positive aspects of the module so far.
In a very short time, you have to come to terms with a mixed group of students. They have to come to terms with the fact that a selection of older people are all different, and for them I think it is an opportunity to talk to somebody who is old but is not a member of the family.
One of the benefits of having older people at our teaching sessions is that they're not afraid to ask questions. So sometimes when students are feeling shy or they're a bit hesitant about asking the lecturer about a topic, we've found that older people have asked really insightful and challenging questions to the lecturers, which is of benefit to everyone there at the lecture.
It is surprising that in every session that experts have been involved, there has always been something new come out of every run of the course.
It's different. It's an intergenerational module, which means that you study alongside older adults. With that, you're exposed to a whole new group of people, and when you're trapped in the student bubble where you just see other students, when you study with old adults, you see there's so much more to what you thought on a topic.
You meet the same students week after week for about 3 months, and they're human beings. They have all the dreams and ambitions and problems that other people have. And sometimes you can help them, sometimes they help you, and sometimes you go away deep in thought because you've had a magic time. I knew nothing about this life and lifestyle until I came to do the NUAGE module. That changed my outlook on life a little bit.
In due course, I think there will be some recognition of its gross value of linking the generations that are widely apart in age, that there is some unanimity in their thinking.